Hi, I'm Jenny from REAX and I'm the Equipment and Servicing Administrator. In today's video, I'm going to be talking through the fundamentals of Scannable. Scannable is an equipment management app that utilises NFC scanning technology. At the tap of a phone, you can access your equipment's history, data sheets and inspection records. Historically, equipment information would be stored using software such as Excel spreadsheets. However, this method can introduce limitations, such as who can access this information and when. Scannable eradicates these limitations as anyone can gain access to the information that they need at any time. So what is an NFC? NFC stands for Near Field Communication. You might be familiar with NFCs being used in things such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Most modern phones will have the capability of near-field communication, but the location of the NFC reader on your phone will vary depending on the model. For example, on a Google Pixel 7, the NFC reader is right in the centre of the phone. Yours might be at the top or at the bottom. If your phone's equipped with an NFC reader, but it isn't working, you may need to access your settings and switch it on. When using NFC to scan a piece of equipment, you can do this outside of the Scannable app by simply unlocking your phone and hovering over an NFC signal. Once your phone has discovered the tagged item, you'll be redirected to your browser and all the information you need about that piece of equipment will be visible. If you want to access information using 2D codes, you can download the Scannable app for free. So now let's have a look within the app itself. This is the Scannable homepage. Here you'll find plenty of useful information, tips and guides, and even communication avenues such as WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger for when you need to speak to an advisor. There's also a Groups tab, which gives you access to various subfolders such as kit bags, locations, or equipment types. And finally, you have an Account tab, where you can view your profile, find support, or sign in and out. Scannable is compatible with NFC tags or 2D codes. There are various types of NFC tags you can utilise for Scannable. These tags would need to be manually attached to each piece of equipment. I'll show you a few examples. Here we have a Skylartech helmet that's had an NFC helmet sticker added. This is a Finch work position lanyard that's been manually equipped with a black NFC zip tie. This performs just like an ordinary zip tie, but comes with an NFC signal included. Various manufacturers will include built-in 2D codes on a range of their equipment. These are similar to QR codes that will link to Scannable and will allow you to log items without the need for applying an NFC tag manually. This is an NLG product and you can see the 2D code just here. And here we have a Petzl helmet that also has a 2D code manufactured just on the inside. So with Scannable, anyone can have access to equipment information at the tap of a phone. Scannable is a simple platform with a clean layout. It allows inspection processes to be smooth and time efficient. If you're looking to purchase new equipment and want to apply Scannable's features, but you want to take the legwork out of tagging items, REAX can offer that service to you. Just contact us and speak to a member of our equipment team for more information. If you'd like to learn more about Scannable, there are plenty of useful videos on our channel and you can find them linked below.